This is Solfeggi. Solfeggi is Italian for ear training, and that's what this app does. It helps the user, it produces a tone, and then the user plays a game of identifying that tone. And if they get it correct, the game tells them that they've done a good job, and the number of questions correct increments. And if they get it incorrect, then as long as they get it wrong on their first guess, then the app will keep track of that, and it'll keep track of that in the report, and it'll be able to tell the user how many notes they've gotten wrong. So if we click report, we see it already has been tracking over the course of its lifetime. These are the tones, these are the times you've gotten them wrong, and we can click report, put that away. And mainly, we have these different modes. We select tone for the most straightforward form of play. These are all the tones. Generally, it only selects from A4 through E5 unless we add other tones in. So currently, it'll test us on A through E. So we click here, tone. And using Web Audio API, it generates the tone that randomly selects from the available tones. So we hear that again. I think that's C, and I was right. So there would be nothing logged to the database because it only currently keeps track of what people get incorrect. So we can hear it again. We know that's C. We hear another one. That sounds like it's A, and it was. So let's get some wrong behavior. All right, that sounded kind of high, but I'm going to guess it's A. And it wasn't B, wasn't C, so that was D. So we should see in the report, we should see that D has incremented. But that's the general behavior. The numbers, we got 2 correct, we got 1 incorrect. So we got 2 of 3 right. And let's say we're tired of that game, so we quit. We should see D. Yeah, we just see D went from 40 to 41 because it's tracking errors. Now if we go to keyboard, so the game will generate all these keys, all these tones. We can just play these as a keyboard. Yeah, the app is generating the oscillators through the Web Audio API as we click those buttons. And we can change the waveform if we like. Here's square and sawtooth. All right, and if we just want to go back, we can just reset everything, and it's just the way it was. Thank you. That's Solfeggi.